single morning I turn on this vlog, I give you guys a shine forehead, a shine forehead. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, the hair is over my eye, I'm trying to reach it. You guys, it's another day to give thanks, another day to be grateful for every single blessing, big or small. We're up and it's the last day of the week before the weekend and before babe goes back to work, so we're trying to get as much done before babe head back to work. We have 2 appointments today, one early this morning that we're heading to right now, and this one is a huge appointment because we are heading out to confirm our kitchen design and to order our closet and another thing for our bedroom. So that's what we're heading out to do this morning, and then later in the afternoon we have the guy coming to move the internet thing from the bedroom to the living room. So we have a long day of things to do today. Wake up this morning, make breakfast for the fam, we chill a little bit, and now we're just ready to head out to just conquer this day and make it a good one. Make sure you guys are having a good day, and whatever it is that you guys are doing today, have fun doing it. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Like I always tell you guys, my babies are around here somewhere. Let me see if I can find them so they can tell you guys good morning. Let's see who I'm gonna find first. And you guys supposed to know by now where Tyler is, right? I think I'm gonna find Tyler first. Hey y'all! Are you ignoring me, silly?
Yes.
What?
Because it's this room.
So why are you ignoring me?
Because it's this room.
Because you're packing up your cards? Can you say good morning, Faves? How are you guys? Tell Faves what you doing?
Shopping.
You're going shopping?
Yes.
Yes, we're going shopping.
I'm shopping.
You need a haircut. You're gonna get a haircut probably today.
I'm good for my hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut your hair today. You want to cut your hair today?
No.
No?
Because I got my hat.
You want to put your hat on?
Yes.
I don't know where your hat is. You have to wait until Mama unpack all your stuff to find your hat. You don't want Mama to cut your hair today?
No.
You don't want Mama to give you a haircut before you go to Jamaica?
That's what to get my hair. I go to Jamaica.
I have to cut your hair before you go to Jamaica, so I have to cut your hair today. Okay?
Cover the mommy and the grandpa and the other things on food.
And family?
Yes.
And lots of family.
Yes, a lot of family. Good.
Listen, you guys, ever since I told Tyler that we're going to Jamaica, he's so excited, and every time he name out who he's gonna see, so that's why he was telling you guys just now that he's gonna see Mommy and Uncle Conrad and Auntie Shania and Grandpa, and who else he gonna see?
Auntie Shania.
Auntie Shania, and who else?
Mommy.
And Mommy, and who else? And Papa? No, Papa is gonna stay here. Papa is not coming.
We go to Jamaica too.
Yeah, you're going to Jamaica, just you and Mommy. Just you and Mama. You know Papa not gonna come, right? You sad that Papa not coming?
Yes.
You want Papa to come?
Yes.
I know, me too.
Mama, we go to Jamaica too.
Yeah, it's just me and you going to Jamaica.
Because I'm going to Jamaica shirt.
You want to wear Jamaica shirt?
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, Jamaica should be fun with me and Ty. Though we're not gonna have babe. Babe, You wanna say good morning to the feds, or are you?
I am here making things in front of
He's there.
Hi guys, happy Friday. Thanks God it's Friday, but no, it's vacation, so it's always Friday for me.
Until today is the last Friday.
Today is the last Friday.
No, you have 2 days of the weekend.
Busy day. Yeah, when you're vacation, you just is also the moment when you take to have all of the appointment done and all of these things. So yeah, today last day, a lot to do, but yeah, gotta be done. So it will be done, hopefully. Is it your last Friday before you go to Jamaica?
Yes, because next week I'm off to JA. Alright, you guys, we're gonna head out on the road right now. When he find his favorite picture spot, and you have to take picture of him right here every day. Ready? Look at Mama. Awesome.
Mama, where are we going?
We're going shopping.
No, we're not going shopping now. We're going shopping.
You guys, IKEA is coming to our city. This is where it's building. Right where you see this crane. Less than 10 minutes drive from home.
Wait, Mama.
Yes, Tyler.
Is the green estate rug?
Yeah, that's where IKEA is making over there. The closest IKEA is, to us is like 2 hours away, so we're happy that this one is coming. I was hoping that it would finish before we move, but it won't finish anytime soon. It's just the underground parking that they're doing right now, so you have a long way to go. A cement mixer. Right, there we go. Anyway, you guys, we're about to head to this appointment to figure out our kitchen. Yes, Stella? What it say? We're here. It says Bienvenue à la Nice Valley.
Anis Valley.
Anis Valley.
I didn't see, but I don't think they say Alanis Valley.
I said La? No, Anis Valley. We're parking. The store that we're going is right at the stadium. The stadium is just beside, just on top. You know where we're going. Where are we going? We're going Conforama. Conforama in France is one of my favorite places to go for household item shopping, like furnitures, and you can also get little decors there, but their furniture is not bad at all. So that's where we're getting our kitchen from. So we're heading there to confirm it right now. Yes, Ty? Right, we're at Conforama. Tyler come here so often, he knows where he is. You guys, we're at our kitchen place. My head wrap is sliding off. This is the kitchen color that we chose. So now you guys know what our kitchen color is gonna be. This is the cupboards and the countertop. Let me show you guys what the countertop is gonna look like. Oh, the lady have the countertop, it was right here, but the countertop looks similar to this one. Oh no, I think this is it. This is going to be the countertop. So this is the countertop and this is the cupboards. At first I had chose this one over here, as in this color, but then I changed my mind because I wanted something more modern, so we changed it to the gray, which I think looks cool. So it will look something like this one. So I think our gray is a little bit deeper than this, but you guys have an idea of how it's gonna be. So yeah, and we're gonna get everything built in, as in the oven will be built in and the fridge will be built in, like this one. This is the fridge behind here. You can't even tell that it's the fridge. We're here trying to confirm everything, so our kitchen can be well on its way. You guys, speak about a long unexpected day. Oh my gosh, today was nothing what we expected. It is now some minutes to 8 p.m. and we're just heading home, and all our missions
almost did everything.
Weren't accomplished. We did in the supermarket. That was the last one.
Yeah, but
and this one is not finished. We got somewhere, but we didn't got what we wanted completely.
But
the day was long.
For the kitchen, we finalized it. We ordered it.
We paid.
We just have to sign the contract.
Yeah.
For the armoire, we did everything, but we're disappointed that it's gonna take that long.
Yeah,
but
it's gonna take a while.
we really chose it, so we wanted to stick with it.
Yeah.
And then for the commode, I have to come back tomorrow.
Yeah. So we got the dresser, we got the closet. When I say we got, I mean we paid for them, but we won't get them no time soon. But that's okay. We also pay for the kitchen, and that's gonna take a few weeks. So everything is processing right now. It's gonna take a few weeks, and I am too tired to go to the supermarket. I just need to take a breather. So we decided that, look, I'm just gonna go home, and your girl ain't going home to cook, so we're at fast food. And I was just saying to babe that the amount of fast food that we've eaten in the past 2 to 3 weeks, we haven't eaten that the entire year. So that's okay though. I'm going to Jamaica next week. No working out until I get back from Jamaica. It don't make no sense, because I'm going to Jamaica to eat at least 3 patties a day, okay? With no apologies. I think about taking back a few for babe. No, honey? He's sad that he won't be there to eat patty with me. Anyway, you guys, we're at Burger King. Honey, you're not saying anything about
No, because I'm looking at what you're gonna eat.
You're looking at what I'm gonna eat. I want a chicken something with bacon. Chicken and bacon they have. You want ice cream? No ice cream today.
Ice cream.
I need to stay here a little bit longer so you can see all.
But I don't see what I want. Not steakhouse. I want not chicken tenders either. Crispy chicken. At Burger King. It's Burger King kind of night. It's Friday anyway, so who wanna cook? Anyway, you guys, next week Friday I'll be in Jamaica. I'll be eating panjar chicken.
Yes.
And I'll send you a picture, my love.
Oh yeah, I'm going to the restaurant every night.
I'm not going to miss you at the restaurant every night, honey. You think I'm gonna miss you going to the restaurant every night? No.
I'm gonna send you pictures with me with a Monaco.
Well, yes, that I'll miss. The Monaco I'll miss, but I'm not gonna miss anything else, because I know you're gonna take a big pizza, and you know I'm not a fan of French pizza.
Oh, I completely forgot about the pizza. I'm gonna get some pizza.
You're so funny.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Pizza Hut beside the work.
Pizza Hut? Yeah. Okay, so you can have it for days?
Yeah. Tu vas brosser les dents?
Oui.
Allez.